What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have a new set of earbuds. These are from Soundcore, Soundcore by Anchor. These are wireless VR earbuds, VR P10. This one is actually made for Meta and these offers amazing performance with Oculus Quest 2. Not only Oculus Quest 2, this set of earbuds are actually compatible with Nintendo Switch OLED, Nintendo Switch LCD, PS4, PS5, gaming PC, mini PC and many other devices. Almost with all the gaming devices including Steam Deck. I have been actually enjoying these Soundcore wireless VR earbuds with my Nintendo Switch and I'm super satisfied and super surprised. Yes, super surprised because this one offers great performance. I mean, in-game experience is amazing. Okay, this set of earbuds from Soundcore wireless VR earbuds costs $99.99 and there are a few nice and interesting features like lightning sync wireless technology for esports grade low latency. There is a customized chipset and LC3 codec to ensure high-speed data transmission between the dongle and earbuds for esports grade low latency. There is a dongle included inside the box. This one also supports simultaneous Bluetooth and dongle connection. So this device can get connected to a Bluetooth device and the dongle at the same time. So while playing games, we can also answer phone calls. Pass-through charging via dongle, 11mm driver for immersive sound, instantly switch between platforms, Meta Quest, PS4 5, PC and Switch. After opening the top lid, there is our Soundcore VR earbuds. Underneath the earbuds, there is a quick start guide and inside that package, there is a dongle. Inside any standard package, there will be one dongle included inside the box. There are 3 different sized ear tips included inside the box along with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. The quality of the ear tips are really nice. I always said this in almost all of my earbuds review videos that if the quality of ear tips are not that good, then even if sound quality is very premium, we won't be able to keep the set of earbuds inside our ear because it will feel irritating, and if the quality of ear tips are very good, then well, along with good sound quality, this will give us comfy feelings. Here is the charging case and wow, look at this. There is a nice ring light over here. I really like this charging case. In-hand feelings is so premium. The mesh design is neither too excessive nor too soft. We can feel it and it gives a very good comfortable feelings in hand. Wow. Look at this. That's our Soundcore wireless VR earbuds. And I'm really so happy to see that Soundcore has managed to find a way to keep the dongle inside this charging case. Well, it's very easy to put the dongle inside and it's even easier to put out the dongle from the charging case. This set of wireless VR earbuds have an extra set of feature and that's RGB lighting. Using the application, we can change the light color and type. Well, we will definitely talk about that later, but for now, let me tell you clearly, this two-tone design is so amazing. It looks so beautiful and in hand it totally feels premium. These are premium earbuds for sure, and yes, I will give 10 out of 10 for build quality and 20 out of 10 for outlook, appearance and design. Okay, here comes the Soundcore application for this VR P10. As I have been using this set of earbuds for a few days, so I have already connected and paired this set of earbuds with the application. There are 4 main features: light effect, dongle, equalizer and controls. In light effect, we can change the color of the light. We can select between breathing mode, light on mode or battery saving mode. I prefer this breathing mode because it looks nice and this breathing mode also doesn't drain the battery like always on mode. Inside the dongle settings, if you have more than 1 or 2 dongles, then you will see there are a lot of dongles available. You can see once I have connected the dongle with my Nintendo Switch, it is already saying that it's connected. Okay, using the application, we can update the firmware of these earbuds as well as we can also update the firmware version of the dongle or the dongles. We can even rename the dongles and change the device names. Like I'm using this one with a Switch. If I want to use this one with a phone or other or PC or Oculus Quest, then we can select those devices. Now here you can see I have two dongles. One is currently connected and another is not connected. The other one, as I've mentioned earlier, I'm using this dongle with my Switch, and the second dongle here I'm using this with my smartphone. So I can rename this one, like this one is my phone dongle. Okay, now I can easily switch between these two dongles. I'm gonna activate my Nintendo Switch. You can see it's connected. If I want to activate, then I can also connect it with my smartphone. All the dongles comes with a USB-C port, so we can even charge our devices through this dongle. Okay, there are some default equalizer like acoustic, bass booster, classical, podcast, dance, deep, electronic, flat, hip-hop, jazz, and many other. But if you're not happy with those, you can also customize and create your own custom equalizer. I always like this default acoustic equalizer, so I'm gonna use that. And yeah, we can also select the actions for single tap, double tap, and hold for 2 seconds. We can customize almost everything. Now there are 3 other very important features for gaming, like whether you wanna enable or disable your microphone, whether you wanna game and talk, like if you have a smartphone connected through Bluetooth, then while you are playing games, if your phone starts ringing, whether you wanna talk or not. This super hearing is actually suitable for FPS games and enhances gunfire and footsteps. Well, we are gonna talk about playing games, but let's check some music. Let's check the sound quality. Okay, I have like reviewed 50 different earbuds before this, at least 50, and I have more than 100 different set of earbuds, and I'm not exaggerating a bit by saying this. This set of wireless VR earbuds offers one of the best vocal. I mean, the midtones are rich and crisp. It's super fine-tuned. It's so amazing. Inside my ear groove, it gave me a feelings like I'm standing inside a concert hall. I'm standing inside a studio. Well, what about low frequency and high frequency? Okay, the bass is like super cool. I have never thought 11mm dynamic drivers can offer this type of bass. Bass reproduction is one of the best. And treble? Most of the earbuds, I mean even cheap earbuds can reproduce good treble sound, but this type of rich and crystal clear treble I haven't heard for a long time. I mean, within this price segment, within $100 or even maybe $150 earbuds, those are not gonna offer this type of treble. So altogether, I'm gonna give this one 10 out of 10 for sound quality, music quality. I have been using this set of earbuds for listening to music, for playing games, for everything. This is my daily drive for now. So you can understand, this really performs. Now let's talk about gameplay. As you have already seen that they have a few different features like super hearing, game and talk, enable or disable microphone. They have actually made this one for gaming, and in-game experience is super nice. Well, after playing games for hours after hours with this VR P10 from Soundcore, I can say without any hesitation, in-game experience has changed. Definitely, super crisp sound quality without any latency. I should say there is no latency. Some people call it low latency, but with this set of wireless VR earbuds, I'm gonna say there is no latency. Almost zero latency. I have never felt any latency, and all type of sound quality, all the frequencies, everything is so amazing. So yeah, wireless VR earbuds VR P10 from Soundcore is one of the best, if not the best, gaming earbuds available in the market. No, wait, I'm wrong. This is the best, period. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.